Today we are going to be making some streamers. You will need 2 strips of paper. You're going to need a yellow strip and an orange strip. And it's about the length of your forearm. All right, it's a little bit longer. It might be the length of your entire arm depending on how long your arms are. The first thing that you want to do with your crepe paper is you want to intersect it at a 90-degree angle. It's going to be forming kind of like an upside down L. You're going to get a piece of tape and tape the 2 pieces together so that it doesn't come apart once you finish your product. So I'm taping it down. Once I've done that, I'm going to repeatedly interlace the 2 strips of paper. So I'll put the orange on top and I'll crease it, and then I'll put the white on top and I'll crease it. Can you see? Come a little closer. All right, you'll put the orange back on top and you'll crease it, and you'll put the yellow back on top and you crease it. And you can pause the video.